Okay, so let's talk about these question. This is actually one of the most common inquiries we psychology graduates and psych practitioners do receive from undergraduate students or people who are interested to venture in the study of psychology. Again, this is Lordy, ang tito mong psychologist. So let's put some context in this question. So basically, this comment was posted under my video that talks about the usual trajectory of people who wanted to become a psychologist here in the Philippines. Miss Cami asked if ever it has the same trajectory for a BA or AB Psych graduate. Okay, so when we talk about taking up an AB or a BA Psych course, if you could go through the same trajectory just as to how I described it from the previous video, yes, you can. You can take the board licensure examination for psychometricians as long as you have those subjects that are required by that specific board examination, and you can enroll for your master's degree in psychology. Now, let's talk about some of the common differences. Basically, talagang dependent siya dun sa syllabus or curriculum na ginawa ng university, regardless whether they are offering a Bachelor in Science degree or a Bachelor in Arts degree. Okay, pero ito yung ilan sa mga common differences. When we talk about BS degree, they are actually moving towards the science courses. You can expect courses such as botany, zoology, or even chemistry, organic and inorganic. They have those kind of courses. So BS would actually have an advantage if they are planning to pursue a medical degree in the future or other health science courses or professions. On the other hand, when we talk about AB or BA Psych, most of the syllabus or curriculum that I've seen so far would mostly compose of courses that focuses on business-related professions. Meron ding iba dyan na mas maraming courses in preparation for law. Okay? So, ano-ano yung mga ilan sa mga subjects na pwede nyo makita doon? So, we have their courses from political science, courses from the Philippine Constitution, meron ding ibang courses na mas specified sila sa human resource management or services. Okay? So, yun lang yung ilan sa mga pagkakaiba nila. But if you are to choose, please try to inspect the syllabus or the curriculum of the university for the entire course.